It's not a bad idea to go ahead and wash off or wash your other personal protective equipment. Your hard hat can be washed with the warm sudsy sponge on both the exterior and the interior. Do not forget to wipe down your ratchet system as well. On your high-vis vests and your high-vis shirts, those are recommended to be laundered, and you can see the manufacturer's washing instructions right on the tag of the shirt. Your safety glasses should be wiped off, and don't forget to give those a quick rinse. Your gloves can simply be washed off in regular water and soap and then allowed to air dry. It is important to know that you should not use sanitizers, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or other disinfectants on your fall protection products. Only use soap and water.